In this simple demonstration, we are going to show how to build a math expression to subtract a small amount from the value that is returned by the call to the getDistanceTo function. The getDistanceTo tile actually has two drop-down menus to choose from. The first drop-down menu allows us to replace the parameter, target, to something else. The second drop-down menu allows us to replace the value of the getDistanceTo call. We can replace that value with some numeric value, or we can use functions or build expressions, such as from the math menu we can build different expressions. In this case, we want to build a subtraction expression in which we will subtract some value from the result of the getDistanceTo function call. So I select this getDistanceTo target minus, and then from the menu that emerges I choose the value I want to subtract, in this case 0.25. In order to add code to the running motion procedural method, we need to access and manipulate the hip joints of the Curupira. We do this by clicking on the instance menu underneath the Curupira image, and we select the black arrow next to the word "this," which refers to the Curupira, and then selecting the joint we want to work with, in this case the right hip. We now see that in the Procedures tab, lists of all the procedural methods available for the right hip of the Curupira. We can now use those procedures as we write our code. So for example, we can tell the Curupira's right hip to turn forward 0.125 of a rotation. To select the left hip, we then go to the right, again go to the instance menu, select the menu, find the left hip. We can now drag it into our do together, have it turn backward, again 0.125 rotations. We are now ready to complete our running motion procedure.